Hey guys, FPV Sam back again with a new Zohd drift video. And before I get into it, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It means a lot. I'm now on 88, so thank you and welcome to my channel. So yeah, this is my final Zohd drift video of the year, and I've also took it apart and took things out of it. So I'm flying here in 12 miles per hour wind with a 18 mile per hour gust coming from the northeast, and as you can see from the video, it's really hard to launch the drift in wind. I failed a couple of them, and the point of this flight was I wanted to take it up quite high and turn the throttle down to 0 and see how far I can glide with it. But as the name says, it's a drift. And it started drifting to the side. I didn't notice this when I was flying at first. It's when I turned around to come home that I kind of thought, where the hell am I? I thought I was going towards one point, but you might be able to see it, like you'll see the drift start floating to the right more, and while I'm thinking I'm still going forward. So when I turn around to go home, I'm kind of like, where the hell am I? It took me a while to figure out where I was as well. I thought the GPS was messing with me. I was like, the arrow's pointing in the wrong direction, it shouldn't be pointing that way. But the arrow was right. It's just that in my head, I was thinking I was somewhere else. So the GPS did save me, and I have to start believing in the GPS. The thing with me, I don't really want to count on the GPS that much, because one of my last flights, was it with the Zohd Dart 250, I ended up losing that because the GPS gave way, and it just flew away, and I didn't get it back. So I didn't really want to count on the GPS. I wanted to know of my local knowledge of the area, and I'm guessing I don't know it that well. So yeah, the GPS saved me. I'm gonna leave you now. Just so you know, I am working on a proper long range wing right now. I've got a new AR wing. I'm putting a 2.4 video system in it. I've got a Crossfire Diversity RX in it, so yes, so look out for that video in the near future. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out this year because it's been proper shitty weather here in the UK. I've also got some stuff I want to show you in an upcoming video, or maybe that video's already been out by now, I don't know. But yeah, I've got a video coming up talking about the Maytech 1.3 GHz video system and stuff like that, so look out for that. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. So thank you all for watching, and have a great day.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Eternal.